Is your garage door operating noisily or jerkily? Well, you might be wondering what could be causing this. Worn rollers could be the issue. These rollers help the door move smoothly along the tracks, and when they become worn or damaged, it can lead to a noisy and uneven operation. Don't let this common problem disrupt your peace. If you're in the Figtree area, call our qualified professionals at 0409774111 to get your garage door rollers repaired quickly and efficiently. Ensure your garage door operates smoothly and quietly with our expert help. Call now.